Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making safety absolute. Unplug the heater and work in a ventilated area. Check the plug and cord closely for frays or burn marks. This tells you whether power components need replacement. Remove outer grill now, using a screwdriver. Clear dust with a soft brush so you can see wiring. Once open, visually locate the thermostat, fuse, and heating element. Use a multimeter set to continuity to test the thermal fuse immediately, because if it's dead, nothing else will heat. You proceed to targeted diagnostics. Disconnect power and isolate the heating element leads, then measure resistance. A very high or infinite reading indicates a broken element. Next, test the thermostat and thermal cutoff at room temperature for continuity. They should read closed. If open, they are the culprit. Examine the fan motor's wiring and spin it by hand. Roughness means bearings or capacitor issues. Make sure to note loose connectors and burn spots, because replacing those parts fixes intermittent failures. You install replacement parts only after confirming specs match. Swap the thermal fuse, thermostat, or element with identical ratings and tighten all connectors. Reassemble the casing, plug the heater into a grounded outlet, and run it on low for 5 minutes, then on high to verify stable heat output and normal fan operation. If it trips, emits burning odor, or the fan stalls, immediately unplug. Then retest suspect components and inspect wiring and ventilation. Often a loose wire or blocked vent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.